In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new participants in Basecamp. First, open the Basecamp login page. Enter the email address for your account and click Next. On the next screen, type your password and sign in. If your organization uses single sign-on or you're asked for a quick verification code, complete that as prompted and you'll land on your Basecamp home. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure pop-up blockers aren't hiding any confirmation screens. From here, look for the Invite People option. This is where you'll bring new folks into your Basecamp account. When the invite window appears, choose the type of person you're adding: a teammate from your company, someone external you collaborate with, or a client. Pick the option that best matches their relationship to your work, then click Next. Picking the right category keeps default permissions sensible and avoids oversharing with clients. Now fill in their details. Start with their name so it's easy to recognize them across projects. Add their company or organization to keep things tidy, especially for clients and external partners. Enter their email address carefully. This is where the invitation will be delivered, so double check spelling. You can also include a job title, which helps teammates understand who does what at a glance. When everything looks good, click Email Invitation Now. Basecamp will send them an invite to join your account. They'll appear as pending until they accept. If they don't see the message, have them check Spam or Promotions folders. Once they've accepted the invite, you can add them to a specific project. Go back to Home, open the project you want, and select Setup People. In the People settings, go to the Team section, then choose Add People. Start typing their name and select the correct person from the results. There's a space for a personal note. Use this to set expectations or share a quick welcome, like what they'll tackle first or where to find key docs. Finally, click the option to add them to the project, and they'll immediately gain access to that project's tools and conversations. If someone is already in your account, you can jump straight to the project steps to include them. That's the full flow. Sign in, invite them to the account, wait for acceptance, and then add them to the right project. Repeat these steps for anyone else you need to bring on. Keeping names, companies, and roles accurate at the invite stage will save time and reduce confusion later. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to add new participants in Basecamp with confidence.